Welcome back to Legal Hot Takes. Today let's talk about how Britney Spears' dad is requesting her to foot the bill for his legal fees. Don't even know why I was smiling because this is absolutely ridiculous, but here we go. So as Britney Spears continues to fight for her father to be removed and replaced as conservator of her person. In short, he makes all of her decisions for her and basically runs her life. So while he is fighting to stay conservator of her person, he is asking Britney to pay for his legal fees to fight her. He is asking for almost $3 million from his daughter, and included in these legal fees are communication team fees. So when Jamie's attorneys go on TV to speak out against her, they are asking Britney to pay for the bill for his attorneys to speak out against her on TV.